Guys, I just did this whole unboxing and shot a previous video, and I completely missed that I had the lens on manual focus. So that sucks. But that's just, I guess, gonna make this quick and easy. Here is my latest purchase from Fashionphile. It came beautifully packaged. They gave me a box with a cushion in it so I can store it, and then the Fashionphile dust bag as well. I'd like to take this opportunity to remind you that every month I select my top 10 finds on Fashionphile and post them on the blog. So go to domesticatedme.com and check out the top 10 items that I have found on Fashionphile right now. Be sure to check it out before they sell out. Here is my item. It is a Hermès Clic bracelet in the PM size. It is in the gold tone hardware. I love these bracelets. I have one that's black and in the silver tone hardware that I wear all the time. I also had one in gold tone hardware with, I think it was in white enamel. I can't remember. It was in the GM size. It was too big for me, so I had to get rid of it, sadly. But if you want to see a comparison video of both sizes, I will link to it below. But I've been meaning to add more to my collection because I would like to one day have a very nice Clic Clac H bracelet collection. So because this was already on sale with the additional coupon code, I just couldn't say no. So here it is. Now the way that these work is that you kind of squeeze it a little bit and then you turn the H and that unclasps it, and then you're able to open it up. So I'm going to put my wrist through it, and that is how it looks on my wrist. I just think these are so beautiful, classic. Love these. Every time I see someone in my feed with a stack of them, I just think it's so beautiful. So I'm excited to grow my collection and add this one to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. It really helps me out. And you guys know I love to hear from you guys. So if you have any comments, questions, requests, please let me know in the comment section below. I always love to hear from you guys. Click here to watch my last video, or click down below to see another video you might be interested in. Thank you again for watching. Stay tuned.